Hello everyone. We are just one step away from living a healthy life. In this video, we'll see how to prepare 24 pieces of organic cold pressed soaps at home. For preparing 24 soaps, you'll need 165 grams of caustic soda, 4 full slices of aloe vera, 10 hibiscus flowers, 1 liter of pure coconut oil, 10 ml honey, 380 grams of water and a plastic bowl to dissolve caustic soda. Usage of plastic bowl is strongly recommended because caustic soda cannot corrode plastic. The first step is to blend aloe vera and hibiscus. Now keep the mixture aside. The second step is to dissolve caustic soda in water and coconut oil. Do not touch caustic soda with your hands or smell it. It may cause irritation and burns to your skin. Keep stirring the caustic soda, water and coconut oil mixture continuously for 50 minutes. Only then you will get the consistency right. In the 50th minute, add the aloe vera hibiscus mixture. Here I have added 2.5 ml of organic lavender oil for fragrance. You can use any fragrant oil of your choice. This is optional. Now add 10 ml of honey. Since it is raw wild honey, you can see a lot of sediments. After adding all the ingredients, stir the mixture well for 10 more minutes until it reaches this level of consistency. Totally, it took us 1 hour to prepare this mixture. You will have to keep on stirring throughout the course of 1 hour. Now replace the mixture in oval shaped slabs and let it cool down. If you don't have these slabs, you can use any bowl of your choice. Leave the mixture untouched for 6 to 8 hours. After 8 hours, you can see that the soap is completely set and looking rigid. You can take them out. You cannot start using the soap right away. It takes 45 days for the caustic soda to become inactive. So start using the soap only after 45 days. If you may have any questions, you can post them in the comment section below. For more videos like this, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.